New coaches and trainers put the women's tennis team in a different situation than they're used to this season, and the men's team showed resiliency and consistency by bouncing back from losses.
It's been kind of an adjustment period. You know, the first year always is when you have a new coach, but I think we're coming back stronger. Like these last couple of matches, we've done really well, and so for conference, I think we have a pretty good shot.
Team chemistry played a big part throughout their season and through the struggles.
The players, we all get along so well, and we've just had a lot of fun this year.
First-year coach Joey Johnson came in wanting to up the intensity and is pleased with how the entire team has performed.
And my focus has been with the team, trying to bring the team to a higher level of intensity and focus as they're out there playing. Certainly different players at different points in the season have had moments where I think they've really stepped up and contributed to the team, for example, and shown the leadership that the team needs and whatnot. And so I kind of hesitate to single out any one player.
On the men's side, 20 wins this season and possibly more to add at the conference tournament.
We established what we were going to do at the beginning of the year in terms of how our practices would be, what we would be doing in the strength and conditioning area. And I think I'm the most proud is that we've really stuck to those routines, even when it's been a little difficult.
Cassidy Mears has been a standout player for the team.
We won't have him next year, but we return everybody else. I'm confident because the way we pay attention to developing leadership, I know that we'll have one or two players that will step up and fill Cassidy's shoes next year.
Milestone wins against the University of Denver, Boise State, and TCU helped the team's confidence.
I'm especially pleased that I think this team has a characteristic that they just don't quit and they never lose heart, and I think that characteristic has carried us through a lot of close matches that really could have gone either way.